Springboard Plus gave me the flexibility and ability to get back to education after 30 years. I worked as an electrician. I was 25 years self-employed. I went through boom and bust, and eventually it was time for a change. I was on the Springboard Plus website and I seen there was a level 7 degree course in electric vehicle engineering in Letterkenny. The course was very, very flexible and it gave me the work-life balance that I needed. And now I've been accepted onto a level 8 honours degree in construction contracts management. I can go down the road of education. It also gives me the option of working with renewables and sustainable energy within the public sector. The benefit of the Springboard Plus course for me was I went back to education after 13 years. I absolutely loved every minute of it. I now have the confidence and the competence to take me to the next level. Springboard Plus gives you skills that work for your future.